Hey there, barbecue buffs! Wondering how to store your grill fuel safely and sustainably? Let's fire up some tips. Whether you're a charcoal champ or a propane pro, storing your grill fuel safely is key to a disaster-free barbecue season. First off, always use containers designed for fuel. That old paint can? Not a good idea. Keep these containers in a cool, dry place away from the house and most importantly out of the sun's VIP lounge. Heat can cause pressure to build up and you don't want your fuel to throw a surprise party. And hey, while you're being safe, why not go green? Opt for eco-friendly alternatives like natural lump charcoal or sustainable briquettes. They burn cleaner and mean less nasty stuff in the air. Remember, good vibes and great grilling start with safety. Keep your fuel stored right and keep those summer barbecues lit, safely of course. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful and subscribe for more grilling safety hacks. Share this with your grill-loving friends and let's keep those flames friendly and the earth happy.